Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the grammar book in that lesson 20 conjunctions. Conjunctions means it's a joining words. Okay. But, and, or, so, because. So all these things are the joining words. All these things are the conjunctions. Okay. Let's get started. Read about what Trisha, Sandy, and Mona plan to do and fill in the blanks. Mona says, "Let's go to the park dash play." Park and play. Sandy replies, dash, we did not bring our toys. But we did not bring our toys. Trisha says, let's play a hide and seek. Or we can fly kites. I saw some children flying kites yesterday. We can play with them. Mona and Sandy says together, we will have fun and make new friends. Underline the conjunctions in the sentences. The big jar contains mango jam, but the small jar contains mixed fruit jam. But butterflies look beautiful because they have bright wings. Because you can buy a pen or a pencil with this money. Or Praveer lives in a big house, but Raju's house is small. But Jack and Jill always stay together. And I like him because he is very kind. Because fill in the blanks using and or but or because. This is my pen dash that is hers. And I am angry dash he pushed me. Because are you going home or coming with me? 2 dash 2 makes 4. 2 and 2 makes 4. Do you want a pencil or an eraser? Naina is a tall and smart girl. Suresh solved the sum. Dash Prem couldn't. But Mita had the book. But she did not tell me. Okay. Next. Join the sentences with suitable conjunctions. He is a doctor. She is a nurse. He is a doctor and she is a nurse. He eats eggs. He doesn't eat meat. He eats eggs but doesn't eat meat. When you add conjunction, so you can't repeat the subject, or you can't repeat the pronouns. Okay, I have to skip this. Is your tea hot? Is your tea cold? Is your tea hot or cold? Understood? We have to skip this. I have paper. I have colors to make the drawing. I have paper and colors to make drawing. Mr. Gupta is short. Mr. Gupta is thin. Mr. Gupta is short and thin. She can sing. She can dance. She can sing and dance. You can play. You can study. You can play and study. He threw away the mango. It was sour. He threw away the mango because it was sour. Understood? For this, we finished our 20th lesson, conjunction. Tomorrow we will see the prepositions. Okay? Thank you.